Usage of message templates. For setting up any message templates, we use the SMS template section of the system. This section of the system contains all the message templates that will be used in the system. In this list, we see information about the name of the message template, the content of the message template, to which section or from which section it can be initiated. For editing a message template or adding a new one, we use these buttons. Macro placements can be used in the message template. The use of macro placements allows you to personalize an SMS message. Let us take a look at how macro placements are configured and used in the message template, with an example of a message template that will be used when sending message from invoice page for a client. In the message, we specify what amount the client should pay and also sending the link for fulfillment of the payment. For this purpose, let us take a look at this template. Several macro placements are used here. We write the name of an account. If there is no account, then we use a contact, to whom we can also issue an invoice. In this case, this is an address to the contact, his short name, invoice number, invoice amount, as well as the name of our manager who will send the SMS message. Let us open our invoice page and see what these fields look like. On the invoice page, we see a field that is responsible for choosing either a contact or an account. In our case, a contact is selected in this field. We use the short name of the contact in the address. You can see that the names of the fields that are on the page are different from the names of the fields that we use in the message template. In order to see the name of the field that is actually used, you need to look at the name of this field by opening the configurator of this page. If there are several attachments, we first indicate the name of the field on this page. For example, invoice page. After that, we specify the name of the field on the contact page. The field is called title. Its name may be different. After that, we already indicate the name with the field name of this directory. We can access the name of any data that is used on any page. This flexible mechanism allows you to build a placement of any data that is in the system with the help of macro placements. How it looks when it is used. On setting up this template and sending a message from any section of the system, including custom sections, we are starting to send a message. Please note that in this case, we send the message from invoice, and that is why we have access to only one template. The template is displayed in its initial form, indicating all macro placements. The user can write text or edit the template in this window. After pressing the Send Message button, the system automatically generates the text of the message, taking into account all the necessary macros. In this case, we see that the following values have been set. Account name. As in the invoice, the account was not selected but only a contact. The account details were not inserted. Address to contact. Short name of contact was inserted. Invoice number was inserted. Amount of invoice. Name of the manager was inserted.